Are you tired of cracked screens, scratches, and constantly worrying about your device? Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch, keeping your devices safe is more important than ever. Hi, I'm Newly Gadget. Today, we're diving deep into tempered glass screen protectors, how they work, why they're essential, and how to choose the perfect one for your device. From scratch resistance to anti-glare benefits, we've got it all covered. Let's jump in. First and foremost, how do tempered glass screen protectors stick to your device's screen so well? They work by utilizing a specialized adhesive. This helps keep it firmly in place. Once the adhesive sticks on your device, the tempered glass can seamlessly fit into the contours of your phone, tablet, or even gaming device while still protecting it from scratches, bumps, and shocks. In this sense, they act as an extra layer of screen protection for your device. They're constructed from specially processed tempered glass that is designed to absorb and disperse impact, allowing it to take a hit before your screen does. When used properly, they reduce the amount of damage that could have been otherwise dealt to your device. However, you'll need to ensure you install it correctly. Plus, tempered glass comes in all shapes and sizes so you can find the perfect fit for any device. All in all, these accessories are critical for safeguarding your devices from life's little mishaps. They're so cost-effective these days that it simply makes sense to protect your phone with tempered glass. So, you might know how screen protectors work, but what other benefits do they offer aside from ensuring your screen doesn't crack? Let's look at 4 main benefits of having a glass protector on any device, regardless of how big or small. First, scratch resistance! Are you tired of scratches marring the pristine beauty of your device? A glass protector is likely just the thing you need. They provide your device with unbeatable scratch resistance. Whether you accidentally drop it one too many times or Kiwi don't resist running your fingernail across the surface, tempered glass will keep your device looking like new. They're also great for people who put their phone or tablet into a purse or backpack next to keys and other sharp objects. Plus, you won't experience any decrease in tactile feedback. It'll still feel like a dreamy touchscreen experience, just without the headache of a scratched up screen. Next up, heat resistance. Not only do tempered glass screen protectors provide a great defensive barrier against your finger oils, but they also keep your phone safe from overheating due to excessive exposure to high temperatures. It's like having a built-in thermostat for your phone that keeps it from getting roasty toasty when left out in the sun for too long. Benefit number 3 is reduced glare. Have you ever been outside on a sunny day, trying to use your device only to be blinded by the sun's rays bouncing off its screen? That can be a thing of the past. Not only do tempered glass protectors provide ultimate screen protection, but some also reduce the glare from obnoxious environmental light sources with a phone screen protector. That pesky afternoon sun, whoa, get in your way when you checking up on work emails or browsing social media. And finally, a comfortable fit. Glass screen protectors provide an incredible and snug fit for any device, making it feel like it's barely even there. In addition to that, tempered glass is the standard bearer for improved protection from bumps and scratches. Plastic screen coverings built into phone cases don't always offer that. Now that you're aware of the benefits, it's time to learn about the different types of screen protectors available. While there are different styles and brands, let's dive into the types of screen protectors for different devices. For phones, if you're looking for a way to save your device from inevitable drops, tempered glass screen protectors are your saving grace. Not only is tempered glass stronger than plastic, but most provide additional benefits like an anti-shatter film and bubble-free installation. We recommend them for just about everyone, but they work great if you travel frequently or tend to be accident-prone. Likewise, people who use their phones outdoors or have children would especially appreciate tempered glass. They'll ensure that both their device and budget remain safe from costly damage. And if you rely on your smartphone for photography, consider a lens protector for tablets. Whether you're clumsy or just want extra protection while preserving an HD viewing experience, tempered glass screen protectors are the way to go. These are great for people who work in demanding environments with frequent device use. Likewise, tablet gamers and children can often benefit from this added layer of protection. Even if you drop your tablet by accident, tempered glass, wouldn't shatter as regular plastic does it now. Take a few more knocks before it needs replacing. And what about smartwatches? Whether you use your smartwatch for tracking running data on race day or for more everyday activity, Tempered glass offers reliable reassurance that your watch face is well protected. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who takes part in risky activities like rock climbing or mountain biking, tempered glass protectors for smartwatches are an even better investment. They'll ensure your watch can keep up with all the adventure. So, what should you be looking for when comparing different screen protector options? Aside from ensuring it's tempered glass and not plastic, here are some features to consider. First is thickness. When it comes to glass screen protectors, one size doesn't necessarily fit all. The thickness of the glass can have an impact on its ability to protect your device. Ensure it's not too thick or too thin. Thin glass won't offer much protection from drops or scratches, while glass that's too thick could affect your device's touch sensitivity. When in doubt, always choose a glass screen protector with a mid-range thickness, typically between 0.3 millimeters and 0.5 millimeters. Next, think about coverage. Do you need one that covers the entire front face of your phone, or just the glass? For example, some screen protectors provide full edge-to-edge coverage, while others you find online don't. It's an important thought to consider before diving in. After all, screen protectors only do so much good if their coverage isn't adequate. Make sure to measure twice and confirm your screen protector's coverage before hitting the buy button. Also, consider the coating. We all want a screen protector that's gentle on our devices and stylish too. But did you know that the coating material can make a big difference in how well it works? Depending on the type of coating, you'll get certain benefits. For instance, hydrophobic screen protectors with their nanocoating can repel external oil and dirt, whereas clear coat ones are great for reducing wear. So, before you choose just any screen protector, make sure you get one that is protective as well as aesthetically pleasing. And that brings us to transparency. Some glass screen protectors are crystal clear, allowing us to see every pixel on screen without interruption. Others come with built-in glare reduction. The latter is great for outdoor use, but the resulting haziness comes at the expense of clarity. When selecting a screen protector, it's important to consider transparency so you can have assurance knowing that your viewing experience won't be compromised. With so many different brands and models on the market, choosing the right one for your device can seem overwhelming. The good news is that you don't have to choose blindly. Researching the product specifications for your particular device model will help narrow down the selection. Then, look for one with this will ensure maximum protection against scratches, dirt, and dust. Or, you can just follow this checklist. First, find out the precise measurements for your device. Second, choose between a glossy or matte finish. And third, decide if you'd like additional perks, such as special scratch resistance or fingerprint ID recognition. The most important factor is to choose a screen protector that fits perfectly. With a bit of time and research, you'll find the right style and fit for your device. So, how do you apply a screen protector? Applying a tempered glass screen protector isn't rocket science, but it is important to get it right the first time. It all starts with preparing your screen's surface. Cleaning it completely ensures that no dirt gets stuck between the screen and the glass. Instead of your typical window cleaner, opt for a solution that won't damage your device or leave residue. Regular rubbing alcohol should work fine here. Now, take the screen protector out of its package and maneuver it carefully over your device's display. Don't worry! Any bubbles will work themselves out once it's placed correctly. If you need to, use alignment guides to help ensure you're placing it exactly where you want it. As an extra step, you can apply gentle pressure or a gentle heat source across the top of the protector. In some cases, that can help ensure everything settles properly. If you don't see any bubbles, you can skip this step. Let the screen protector settle for about 24 hours and then add your protective case on top. Protect your devices from everyday wear and tear with subcase cases and tempered glass screen protectors. They'll keep your phone or other devices safe from dirt, grime, drop damage, and other life's minor mishaps. Whether you need protection from inevitable drops and scratches, or just want a good-looking accessory, let Subcase help protect your devices by choosing from a variety of stylish cases and ultra-strong tempered glass protectors. And there you have it. Tempered glass screen protectors are a small investment that can save your devices and your wallet from costly repairs. Which type of screen protector do you use for your phone or tablet? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest smart gadgets and device tips. This is Nuli Gaji, helping you make the most of your tech safely and smartly. See you in the next